Hi everyone, so I am back with the little blank journals and the ephemera packs of the Paris Salon journals. If you didn't see my video before, I made one of these and I fully decorated it, so I'll link that below. I'm just moving my camera, sorry it's squeaking. Anywho, I said I was going to do some of these. They're all, I've got a few of them available, they're all the same. So the journal is, I haven't attached this, but if you buy one and you want me to put some eyelets front and back and do a different closure, let me know when you buy it. Don't send me a separate message afterwards because I may not see that. Like, send it when you buy it and it's got the option to like leave a message. Excuse me. So it is 8 by 4 1/4 and it has 48 pages front and back. Now this is just obviously the plain version. I will put the decorated version below just so you can see what I done with one of these. This is exactly what I worked from. The same pages, same layout, same everything. Apart from the ephemera was different, obviously. And I added, obviously, lace and things like that to it, which obviously, you know, you can use what's in your stash. So yeah, there'll be a few of these available. The link for them will be below. And you can go check that out. Let me just show you what's in here. So this is just I've done these before, so this is just some French ephemera. You can use this however you like. Obviously you can use it, you can cut it up, you can make pockets out of it, and make tags out of it, but that is that way. And then this, I have only glued one tiny little bit there, so you could snip along, say there, just like that little bit there, and then it will give you, I used this for, and this to make little tabs in mine, so get that. Excuse me. There is some French ephemera there. There is some tags, some journal cards, some more French ephemera. These are digitals. Please don't think that you're getting like originals. I wish I could get my hands on originals. This is a little journal card. Oh, I don't know how these came out, so I'm just putting them in as I pick them up. Some more French ephemera. And I don't know why it's quite late. Everyone's in bed. When I get everything done. And then we've got a big piece of that inside that envelope. I use that for various different things in my one, and that goes that way like so, and she pops in there. Now my cat wants to go out. Some little, you have to wait a minute. These, what are these? Little French labels. This and a little piece of that, and I probably won't be able to. I got the cat a new, she's got a new scratch thing with balls in the end in grooves, and all she's been doing right up until now is sleeping on it, and now I'm doing a video, she decides to scratch it. I suppose for scratching, but all she's done is sleep on top of it. Anyway, I'll sort that out in a minute. So that's the little ephemera pack. That's the journal. Get that. If you want eyelets, let me know. I'll sort that out. Oh, you noisy little crane. Anyway, there we go. I'll have the links below. Bye.